Ayan guys, kami ay ay gumagawa ng saan nilalagay yung dapat karon na candy. Ayan, para sa mga junakis. Easter, dahil wala kami bukas, ngayon na sila mag-ano karon na candy. May mga sa Pilipinas siya.
Hindi pa nila ma-expire pa.
Can I help?
Yeah. What? Get.
Mostly ganito ang ilagay mo kasi itong talagang...
Babe, lagay mo nga sa ref yan.
And can I hide them?
Yeah. Later,
So we don't make them melt.
yeah, so you don't melt it. When Grandpa start
Here, you
cooking,
get the basket. Over here, come over here.
yeah, when Grandpa start cooking outside, then you can do this one.
Ha? Only one, ha? Kahit na tamo magalit ako ay kasi
Is
may
this
nakatapay
thing fit?
uniform.
This doesn't fit.
Makasagari ka pa.
Ang may yelong kaya ako sila.
Oo.
The ones that can't fit out.
Hindi sa di ba? Wala bang uniform doon? Nabakaya, oh.
Wala. Awak ko yung uniform.
Ayan.
I just put the small one, the one that...
But how are you gonna be there? Then your dad has to drop you off on his week because there's no bus.
What do you mean?
There's no bus and on your.
Ito yung mga apo ko, ayan. Yung aking dalaga, magkasing tangkad na
Ay,
kanya.
meron yata ano kasi our section. Ano pala yun sila? Zone.
What?
That's already have
bus
stuff
pa
in it.
Ay, bus pa rin sila. Ano pa rin silang bus?
Here.
Ayan, yung mga mga apo.
Huwag mong ilagay yung huwag mong ilagay yung kasi hindi naman nila
Itong
kinakain.
Starburst, hindi nila maglagay.
Hindi yan ang ilalagay mo. Itong mga taong hindi nila kinakain.
Ilagay mo lang.
Hindi. Para nga ihibulin.
Ano yung ilagay mo dito para ilagay sa...
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
You're what?
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
Yes, say hi. That's my youngest grandson.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
So you can have Gcash.
So I can have me cash.
Yes. Sige, ulitin mo.
What does your
Ano
mommy
sabi
say
niya?
when she gets mad?
Sampalin kita, sabi? Ulitin mo, dali. I wanna hear it.
What does your mommy say when she gets mad?
Ay, nako.
And then what else?
Like high blood.
High blood?
Oh wait.
What else? Ano pa?
Wala na. Nay, nalaglag!
Pinaglag.
Nalaglag.
Lag.
Wala na? May laman na to?
Meron.
Meron pa doon, babe. Gusto mo dagdagan pa o tama na?
Ate na lang naman yata mag-ano.
Sila.
You guys
Wala
you guys
naman tayong
help
mga
Athena
basket.
find the egg, okay?
Hold on. Ayan, yung aking apo naglalagay ng pera sa eggs. Ayan. Dala-dalawa lang, baby.
Paldo ako.
Oh, faldo. Ano? What you say again?
Paldo ako.
Paldo daw siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung paldo talaga. Hindi ko maintindihan. Oh.
How much is that? We're putting money. It's only for Tina though. How for Tina? What's the
Tina! Ba!
Oh, big egg. What's the big egg? What's in these two big eggs? Or the fake one.
Pera. Pera, candy, yung mga ano. The one that you have money, you have to put
You have
separately.
to hide it somewhere.
I'm gonna hide it somewhere, and it's gonna be in the woods.
Don't put in the woods. We have like by the roses, by the trees, stuff like that. Around the tree over there, baby. Oh,
Thank you for the minutes.
for the plants.
Oh, I'm gonna put it somewhere. It's not gonna be in the trees.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you just like that. It's more
Ayan, ang galing niya maglagay.
No, it's only for Tina. It's not for Tina. Are you gonna grab all the money ones? Maybe. Don't. You have to leave them for us. If I find them, I'll take them.
Yeah, we don't have no basket. Can you put?
Let's use a plastic bag.
Yeah, use.
I think that's it.
Oh, ang dami. Ang daming. Oh, nagbukas. Akala ko ba pera lang yung malalaki.
Kaya may malalaki lang go.
Wala na, ubos na.
O, lagyan mo ng pera tapos ayo candy. Kuya, lagyan mo ng pera tapos candy.
Pesos?
Hindi dollar yan. Wala kang pesos eh.
Or $1.
Oh, so, yung makakakuha nito guys, $5. Magkano na yan sa Pilipinas is 550. Oh, 500. 250 pala, sorry. Pardon me, senyorita.
Ate, ito anak. Ito.
Yeah, galing.
Ate.
Tapos, you have to remember should put that in you should put that on something. This is the one you put in your pocket. Here,
na
here
po
now. Yeah. Tapos na siya. Tama na yun. Yeah. Okay, you need a bigger basket. Go hide them. No, yeah, you can hide them now. Go get a plastic bag so that
I don't know where.
over there. Get the snack bag.
Where?
That one. What? Yay!
There's more.
Get more. Over here. Hurry up. Go over here. Over here, Athena.
Oh, alam na ka na daday. Oh, here.
Athena, over here. Athena, hurry up.
Tina.
Athena, over here. Oh, walang sapatos na. Hoy, masugatan lago yato.
Tina. Hey.
Lagyan ko ng sapatos. No, aroy, kwata. Ako nga, hindi ko nga kaya magpapa eh.
Atina, come here. Atina.
Ipasapato ka mo labi. No.
Yeah, I need a bigger bag.
Well, go get the bag inside. Okay, stop guys, stop. They have to put shoes to adding.
She said, yeah, stop.
And you have to wait for Jade out. Jaden is right there.
Y'all fat biggies took the big ones. Because they know where they placed them. Yes, you do.
No, he doesn't know. I am the one who put them.
No, that's Jay's the one who's riding around.
What happened?
He got like all the big ones.
Why you're throwing the thing? Egg, don't throw them. We need them for next year.
Atina, come here, over here. Here.
I'm not even sure it all over there.
Is it all here?
Tama siyang dataking.
Panaway nga pa ngayon. Oh, I see one. Not saying, I'm not telling.
The big one, the gold one.
Oh, Athena. Uh-oh.
Go find the big egg. Atina, go find the big egg.
Find the big egg, anak, the gold one, come on.
Gold one, come on. Let's
Go find it. Oh, more eggs.
big. So easy to see.
You're so silly, that's so silly.
Atina, right here.
How did I not talk that?
You guys having fun?
We go find the big egg.
No, you don't go there.
That's for Athena.
That's
There you go. Good job. You go find
Mena planet tolovo yarin mo lang. Yeah, the big egg.
Find it, yeah.
Yeah, you have to find the big egg.
Over there. Athena, over there. Over here. Athena, look at nanay. Run, hurry up, run. Over there. A big one. Go look. Okay, go over there. Go find over. Tina. Tina.
Go look. Find the big egg.
Oh my God. Hurry, run. Somebody's coming. Run. Yay! Put in the bucket.
Too heavy.
Yeah, no. Too heavy? Oh, no, it's not heavy. Okay, there you go. Yay! Oh, this one. Oh, go get that one. Go. Oh, go get the egg, more eggs. Oh, you don't want this one? Too heavy down. Too heavy down, too heavy. Oh, okay, go ahead. No, okay, go find more eggs over there. Go over there. Oh, go over there.
Yeah, more egg. You have to find.
Kaya karma ba nga? Yari kwarto pigayari. Dapat na binila mi yari kwarto. 30 tamayari mahigit. Did you guys got all of it?
You got the big egg. She found it right there.
Yeah, but how does she have all the big eggs with money in it?
You guys went all the way there and I put all the big eggs here.
Well, like, see, I was pressure washing, so.
But like,
Wala open.
no, that's exploded.
What?
I'll fix it.
Kuya got big egg.
Come on, Tina.
Anyone got me more money?
Kala ko ba maglalakad tayo?
Mamaya pa, ang init pa mo.
Nag-run na si Richard.
Nag-run na kasi maglalakad daw sa mamaya.
Wow.
Oh, wait, is it Tina now?
We got a big one. Wow. Ate, did you find a big one?
Besides that.
Tina, you come here.
Who got 10?
No, he probably got like more than 10. Actually? Wait, what?
The kwarto.